So today I'm going to be reviewing over lesson 13 to lesson 14. This is for accelerated algebra 2, and this is to prepare for people for the upcoming test. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. And so you have lesson 13, which was multiplying and dividing rational expressions. And let's start with multiplying rational expressions. For the first thing you want to do is you want to factor out the numerator and the denominator. And then after that, you want to find the restrictions. So places where the zeros for the denominators, so where x cannot equal to like something because it would make the equation undefined. And then you want to cross cancel and then simplify the expression. We have here an example like such as a over b times b over ab is equal to a over 1 times 1 over ab is equal to 1 over b. And a cannot equal to 0. Same thing with b, cannot be equal to 0. And now dividing is the same thing, except you want to find the restriction for both the second term without it being reciprocated, and then the second term, define the restriction of the second term again when it is actually reciprocated. Examples right here. And now I'm gonna be talking about adding and subtracting rational expressions. This is also from lesson 13. So adding a rational expression, you want to find the least common denominator, or LCD, and then from that you want to get the product of the factors that are similar and different. So let's say you have x plus 1, and then you have another one that's like x minus 2. The least common denominator would be x plus 1 times x plus 2. And then you want to find the restrictions, again, the same way with the dividing and multiplying. And then you want to add the terms, and then you're going to simplify. The same thing for subtracting, except you're just subtracting. And you're going to use the, for subtracting, you're going to use the LCD to get the actual numerator. That's something that the adding needs to do too. See, as we have here, a over b plus a over b plus 1. You have a times b plus 1 over b times b plus 1 plus a times b, and b plus 1 over b plus 1 times b. This is utilizing the actual LCD. And when you're subtracting, you want to remember to distribute the subtraction sign. And now we're going to go to lesson 14. So solving rational equations and inequalities. So for solving rational equations, you want to find the LCD of the entire equation, right? Then you're going to find the restrictions or the extraneous solutions, and then you're going to solve the entire equation by multiplying everything by the LCD in order to cancel out the denominators, and then you're going to solve it like a quadratic equation. Pretty simple. And then for solving rational inequalities, for the sake of time, I'm going to be really fast on this. You want to follow most of the steps, almost all the steps for the solving rational equations, except the you're going to have to form a inequality in the form of one rational expression, and then you have the inequality symbol, and then you have 0 on the other side. And you're going to find the zeros in the numerator and the denominator, and then you're going to create a line to plot the zeros. Numerators are going to be solid circles, and denominators are going to be empty circles, right? Because denominators, you can't have undefined variables. And so then you're going to check the points between your plotted points for any extraneous solutions, and you're going to create the actual interval notation of your solutions to the x. And thanks for watching. Sorry if this is really fast. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the description, and please share this to other people who have accelerated algebra 2 or are taking any other math related class that's similar to this. Thanks.